How to use the suction unit. Using the suction unit. Once the suction accessories are set up properly, activate the suction by pressing the suction control button. Deactivate the suction at any time by pressing the suction control button a second time. You can adjust suction pressure between 100 and 325 millimeters of mercury in increments of 25 millimeters of mercury. To set the suction level, navigate to the setup screen, use the jog wheel to navigate to the system mode area, then press the wheel to activate the area. Navigate to suction and press the jog wheel to activate the setting, then scroll to change the value. Once the desired value is reached, press the jog wheel again to confirm. Note that the suction wand has a control vent that must be occluded by the operator's thumb to allow suction to occur.